Your first question is, what vital purpose or duty do you believe talent coordinators serve, not only in your department, but throughout the whole organization?
Being a talent coordinator does not only mean to keep the rosters in line for their events that UST-SHS has, but to also keep the atmosphere light, as like they have this pressure now since they'll be stepping on stage. And for our job as the talent coordinator is to keep the atmosphere light para like mapagaan ang feelings nila and not to have that much pressure, so that the energy that they'll be giving off on stage will also be reflecting to the whole TGS, which also helps to the so-called face of the organization.
As a talent coordinator, I believe that our duty is not only to be in service of our beloved talents and helping them prepare for the events catered to our UST-SHS community, but to also keep the faces of the organization in line with their work and make sure that they really embody the image and the reputation of the organization.
Okay, so my time in UST Tiger Shoot showed me that our work as talent coordinators is not just the stereotypical work such as managing the talents or like fixing their hair, makeup, and outfit, but it goes beyond on how we are the backbone of the department, and not just in our department but also with the whole organization as well.
I think for us talent coordinators, since we handle the faces of the organization, we really know how to work with other departments, keeping in mind that we work with the golden standard so that we show our greatest spotlights.
For your next question, how would you describe your working experience with the talents department using an emoji? Give a short explanation.
Emoji would be the party emoji or like the celebrating emoji. Because kapag sinabing may job or like task in the talents department or in TGS itself, it's like a break for me sa ACADS, and it's not really per se a job for me. Para bang magiging break siya sa ACADS and a time for me to spend time also with the people I love.
I would describe my experience working in the talents department with the yung dancing emoji na guy. Because personally, in my experience here working in the talents department, I really fell in love with working with creative people and also seeing their passion and just really having fun with my org mates, whether it be in big or small events.
If I would describe my working experience with the talents department using only one emoji, it would be the family emoji. Given that I believe that the talents department is also my work family, and that it does not feel na I'm working talaga when I'm with such talented and funny people. So, ayun.
My working experience with the talents department, I would use the emoji, the monkey na nakaupo tapos naka-side view siyang ganun. Kasi I think that emoji is really goofy, and sa talents department, like sobrang goofy nila kasama. Kahit na nape-pressure na kami nagmamadaling makeup sa talents, sobrang goofy pa rin nila.
your experience as a TGS grounder? Briefly explain your answer.
For me, it is fulfilling since you get to hype out the crowd, and you get to be excited every time you host. And after a tiring event, you feel fulfilled because you made a lot of people happy, and you made their day fun.
Exciting. Why exciting? It's because there are many things that you'll be able to do as a TGS grounder. There will be many experiences. There will be many people that you will meet that will truly mentor you, that will truly guide you, that will truly shape you to become who you are as a talent.
If I were to summarize my experiences with TGS in one word, siguro I'll go with rewarding. Kasi ever since nung simula ng career ko dito sa TGS, it has given me siguro a lot in the sense na nag-improve ako in many ways. Yung sa pagsasalita ko, yung pag-communicate ko with other people, and syempre yung mismong just me as a person. Because seeing the crowd, watching them being hyped up, and experiencing yung joy and excitement ng senior high school crowd from then, siguro talagang I felt rewarded, and lahat ng efforts ko, lahat ng napagdaanan ko is worth it.
In one word, my TGS journey was enthralling. Not just because we were able to capture the crowd's attention, but also because TGS has turned me into a more focused and competent individual. In a sense, I got meticulous and particular because I know that it is up to us how to always uphold the golden standard. And of course, I am fascinated with how TGS works as one to provide the best productions for our fellow Tomasians.
Memorable. I did not expect this organization turned into a family will be one of the memorable people that will be in my life. I thank TGS for always giving me the opportunity and for proving myself that I am capable in my own.
Maximo. Because I've pushed myself to the fullest extent and I have gone above and beyond the familiar, leaving no stone unturned.
What tips or advices would you like to pass on to the newest set of grounders?
Siguro for me, the most important thing that the next set of talents should know is to always remember the reason why you chose to be a talent. Kasi syempre naman, as a talent of TGS, it will not always be full of sunshine and rainbows. Kapag nasa event ka na, may mga events na or experiences na hindi mo akalain na mangyayari. Yung tipo na malapit ka na mag-panic, malapit ka na mismong, hindi naman mag-breakdown, pero ayun, nahihirapan ka talaga. Pero at that point, siguro, yung remembering why you chose to be there, why you chose to be on stage, why you chose to be in front of our fellow Tomasians, yun yung mismo nag-help sa'yo to be better, to improve, and to show them that you have what it takes to be a TGS talent.
To the next roster of talents, I hope you guys will continue the legacy of Tiger Shoot. Always remember that I am here, your Ate Max. I always believe in you guys, and if you ever need anything, I am here. I know that you are capable of reaching greater spotlights, so now we are entrusting you the golden standard.
Siguro one tip I can give to the next set of roster of talents is to never set aside their instincts. Dapat they have a strong sense of independency that makes them alert and adaptive to any obstacle na pwedeng maghinder sa kanila. And of course, have fun kasi you won't feel tired committing to something that you love doing. So to the next roster of talents, I am always rooting for you and always keep in mind that you are chosen for a
Okay, so my tips, first of all, is always practice. Always practice your lines, always practice your spills, practice in front of the mirror, practice how will you say those spills with your co-host or with your potential audience. And lastly, for my advice, siguro, wag magpakain sa kaba. Normal na kabahan, kahit hindi talent, laging kakabahan yan. Basta may event kayo. Normal lang nakabahan, basta huwag kang magpapakain sa kaba mo. Always make sure that you'll deliver your best. Pag may event, may it be a simple one or a major one. So, good luck, future talents.
One thing I would like to tell them is to enjoy every single event. As much as pressure comes with being a talent, always make sure to enjoy moments that you will spend together with those people around you. There will be times that you will feel exhausted somewhat, but always remember in the first place why you aspire to be a talent. So for the future talents out there, get ready for a roller coaster ride.
To the future growlers, always be confident. Ilabas niyo lahat ng nakatago sa inyo. And always be flexible, again, because you will never know what will happen during the events. And also, have fun. Be yourself. And lastly, always be fabulous.
Hi, I am Jolie Aaron Trinidad or Ronager, the current head of talents of UST Tiger Shoot.
Hi, I'm Daniela K. Bugawisan or Daniger, the former head of talents of UST Tiger Shoot. How did you feel when you were appointed as the talents head who's in charge of our team and responsible for overseeing the entire department for a year?
First of all, kinabahan ako because you were the first one na mag-head of talents na dalawa ang team. And being the EA and talent co-or, handling talent co-ors, it's hard. And paano pa kaya pag roster of talents? Sabi ko, kaya ko ba to? Pero sabi ko, tumakbo ako, kakayanin ko. What words of wisdom or motivation would you like the talents department to keep in mind and adhere to based on what you've learned during the time nung talent head ka?
Words of wisdom! So first, kasi ang dami ko natutunan sa talents, especially when it comes to forming a team. Kasi malalabas sa talents department na hindi mo kaya mag-isa. So, pagdating pa lang sa event. So like, di maganda event kapag like solo talent lang, then walang tutulong sa kanya ever. So it's important na you work as a team. And very important na you work hand in hand. Hindi lang kayo basta teammates, hindi lang kayo co-workers. You're family there as a team. And it helped a lot. Kasi super close namin talents department as in every event, hindi siya chore. It's fun. It's very fun. So at the same time, nag-enjoy ka, and at the same time, you're building connections, relationships. So yun yung keep in mind na you're here not to just work. You're here to form new friends, new family. What were your expectations when you became the talents head and your aspirations for our department and for the whole TGS? And how did you make it into reality?
Actually, I do not have that much expectations talaga nung naging head of talent. So, because first of all, Growler Research.
The pressure.
Ayan. The pressure, parang sabi ko, parang ay bago-bago to, mga hilaw pa yung mga ano natin. Hindi pa sila nahihinog. Magaling sila, but yung parang hindi ko pa sila kilala, paano ko pa sila i-handle, ganun. Parang yung your first impression pa lang yung alam ko sa kanila. And with the talents co-or naman, parang, paano ko palalakihin to? Tatatlo lang kami. Tapos ako pa yung naging head. So, paano namin siya paparamihin? And there's no expectations. And yung ginawa ko na talaga during na nasa position ako ng head of talents, I'm glad na not an expectations came to reality. Parang dumaan na lang siya. It's just the destiny. Destiny! So, ayun lang naman. Ayan. So, what legacy do you think that you left on the talents department during your term?
Legacy? So, kasi malaki naman na yung tiwala ko sa talent. So, like, I think they left yung mismong talent staff, not just me. I think they left a biggest legacy more than I did. So, I believe yung naiwan nilang legacy is trademark na, yung si Tiger Shoot to, pag may event. Yung ganong impact. So, like, kahit hindi ka pa aware sa Tiger Shoot or anything, kapag nakita mo yung talents department or yung hosts on stage, you know that, parang anong org to? Or like, students ba to? Or recruit ba to? Or outside? So, may ganung impact. So, I'm very proud na that's from my team. That's my talents. Parang ganun. Nakita ko sila on stage. And, yun, I think, yung naiwan kong legacy or imprint, not just on the USC Tiger Shoot, but to the whole school youth community as well.
Paano? Sample kung paano nakilala.
I am Rick! Goodness!
With the Z.
What are the must-have traits that you seek for every member of your team to demonstrate? No, applicants, I think, kailangan nyo makinig.
Must-have traits. Siguro, the passion and the willingness to learn.
Bongga.
Yeah, because actually, there are some staff, not really staff, people who applies, like, ang galing nila, but you don't see them that they want to learn more. Like, you see them parang, they strive for their title. But to build a good relationship with everyone, kasi learning pa lang, you're building relationship na with them. Tapos, you're not just building a relationship, you're building the whole talents department with the work. Like, talents department, ang ganda na. Parang their quality of work, relationships with you, and ayun na rin, para may matutunan silang maganda for us. Okay, ayan. To end this interview, ready ka na ba?
Ready.
Sige. What are your personal hopes or prospects to the future head of talents and the talents department?
Siguro, maintain or like, continue nyo lang yung naset na standard ng TGS since very proud na malaking contribution yung talents department dun sa golden standard ng UST Tiger Shoot. So, ayun, I think from now, yung nakikita ko sa current talents department, syempre spearheaded niya yung talents department. I think it's very proud moment for me kasi hindi ako nagkamali na siya yung pinili ko na talents head. And I know that the future talents department is also in good hands. So, ayun, I think keep in mind lang for future aspiring staff ng talents department or head or EA, ganon, na hindi siya demanding yung job. It's very fun. So like, if na-intimidate kayo sa talents department kasi syempre sila yung front or laging nakikita ng org ng USC Tiger Shoot. Huwag ma-intimidate. You join. And what if ito na pala yung start or like ito yung part ng SHS life nyo na makabuo pa kayo ng relationships na super fun. And you can work while also having so much fun and learning something new every day. Kasi yun yung naranasan ko nung naging part ako ng talents department and nung naging head ako ng talents department ng USC Tiger Shoot. So, ayun, good luck and sana sumali kayo sa talents department in the future. Kaya ikaw din, tatanungin kayo. Anong ako lang? Talents head ka rin. Kaya, ikaw, what are your personal hopes or prospects to the future head of talents department?
Siguro, wait.
Nahihiya
ako, pero confidence. Right. Personal hopes, honestly, mas maging close kayo with each other because for you to build that chemistry talaga is to be close with each other. Like, you're not just a talent. You are the roster of talents and the talent coordinators. You are a team. And to be a team, dapat you know each other. You're not just co-workers. Of course, you're co-workers by paper, but mas makakapag kayo, collab kayo as a family. And siguro, hope ko na lang din for you to have your own legacy. Always keep in mind that hindi mo kailangan isipin na parang, ay, paano ko malalaman, paano ko maya. Just always think na, what's the best? Don't compare what you're doing to the previous one. Just feel everything na ayun yung best. Siyempre, pwede mong reference yung mga former projects. I mean, kahit naman si Daniger, ako, ginagawa namin reference, but we don't look at it as paano ko lalaman? Because mas magiging parang messed up lang yung work kung puro panic ka and you're comparing yourself. Even kahit sa personal look, everything, posting-wise. But if you're going to think, what's the best I could give? You are going to set your own standard and set a new standard.
I love it.
We are now ready to move the spotlight to the next phases of the organization.
And we can't wait to see you uphold your own golden standard.
So, future talents.
Ready?
Ready!
Once again, this is Bianca Estacio, the so fabulous growler, one of the talents of the UST Tiger Shoot. Conquer the world with your amazing talent.
For the last time, I am Cassandra Tapat, your forever and will always be your remarkably dazzling growler from the UST Tiger Shoot. Always take the chance. You never know what might happen.
Now for the one last time, I am Johan Duran, your striking growler, one of the talents of the UST Tiger Shoot. Always soar high, strive to be the best in everything.
Though the spotlight is dimming, this won't be the last time you'll see me on stage. But for now, this has been Maxine to the max, your totally snazzy growler from the UST Tiger Shoot. Now stepping off and taking my final bow.
Will definitely not be the last time to enthrall you. I am Arita na Uma Arriba, your enthralling growler from the UST Tiger Shoot.
And of course, I am Inosh De Leon, your ecstatic growler from the UST Tiger Shoot. Remember to let the world hear your voice.
As I take this curtain call with a final bow, once again, I am Jody Aaron Trinidad, or Ronager, the head of talents of UST Tiger Shoot. This is the Talents Department year 2023 to 2024, now signing off. The curtains may now be closed, but the spotlights are always ever ready to see you shine bright. The spotlight is now yours. Be the face of a new standard.